Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.1 on PopOS 24.04 LTS version. Okay, first open any web browser. The default web browser that comes with PopOS is Firefox. Open it, then go to PostgreSQL official website. It is PostgreSQL.org. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is PostgreSQL 18.1. Click on download or click on this download, both are same. Now click on Linux, then scroll down. See here we don't have the PopOS, but open terminal. Now verify the version /etc os-release. See its ID is like Ubuntu or Debian and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Noble means it is Ubuntu 24.04. So here select Ubuntu, then scroll down. The PostgreSQL apt repository supports current versions of Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, so we have to run these commands one by one. Okay, so copy this one. See, these three commands are for importing the repository signing key. This command will install call and CS certificates. Go to terminal, Ctrl-L, paste it, hit enter, put the password of the sudo user. See, both are already near versions. Okay, it is done. Paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now create repository configuration file. So run these two commands. Paste it, hit enter. Now copy this entire command. Entire line is a single command. Copy it. Paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. All packages are updated. Ctrl-A. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Ctrl-A. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL 18. If you want to install 17, give 17. It is up to you. 18 is the latest one, so give 18 and hit enter. See, we are installing PostgreSQL Server 18. Okay, see here, and these client components. Type for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed, and see here, see these are the default values like max connections 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes, and this is the default time zone. This is based on my system settings. Okay, Ctrl-A. Now we will connect to PostgreSQL Server. Before that, verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL Server is installed and it is active and enabled. Quit to quit. Ctrl-A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres. Hit enter. psql. Hit enter. See, we have connected to 18.1, but this is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server. It is this PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 18.1. Quit to quit. Ctrl-A. Now the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for the Postgres user, which is the super user. First verify list of users /du, or we can get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. See, we got the same. See here, it is super user. Okay, now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. We have successfully set the password. Now verify list of databases. The commands that starts with / are called meta commands. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. Quit to quit. You can also get the same by running select dat name from pg_database. See, we got the same. Now create database. Create database Now verify. See, we have created database and this is the one of the database. Q to quit, control it. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use \c or connect. Both are same. Then provide the name of the database. \dt. See, you don't have any tables. Now create table. See, we have created table customer in public schema. This is the one of the table Postgres. Okay. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Create. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See here, David8123 is the password. Now verify. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. To exit, we have to use \q. psql -h means hostname, localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. -u must be caps. Then new username is David. -d means database. Then Postgres. Then provide the password. Whatever is there here in singular double quotes, that is the password. See, we have successfully connected. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, you are now connected to database bank as user David. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission needed for table customer because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server 18.1 on PopOS 24.04 LTS version. We can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. We have stopped it 5 seconds ago. We can also verify the same by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres psql. See, we are unable to connect, so exit from the current user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped 2 seconds ago. Okay, if you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. We took it, control it. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using psql client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dbot. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on PopOS. Okay. The last option that I want to show you is how to find config files, data and log directory locations. Sudo su-postgres psql show config _file. This file contains, see, this PostgreSQL.conf file contains server level configuration parameters. The other file is HBA. HBA means host based authentication. See, both are in the same directory. Now we'll find the data directory location. Show data _directory. Okay. See, all three are in the same directory. Show log _directory. Exit. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.1 on PopOS 24.04 LTS version. Okay, for more database or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.